So guys, for the first step, once you're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to go to settings. Now once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. If you get an option that says relaunch, you want to click on relaunch. This will now ensure that your Chrome is up to date. And now for the second step, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now we're going to go to settings again. And now we're going to go to privacy and security. Now we're going to click on delete browsing data. You're going to set the time range to all time. And then select cookies and other site data and cache images and files. And then click on delete data. And now for the next step, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on reset settings. And then you're going to click on restore settings to their original defaults. And then click on reset settings. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.